Hey there, SPAMwich fans. It's SPAMwich Dad here, about to make a recipe from the Spam website. This is the Bloody Mary-inspired Spam burger. Although I'm Canadian, so it's actually a Caesar-inspired Spam burger. So, of course, first we'll need some Spam, some generic burger buns, ketchup, Worcestershire, authentic Louisiana hot sauce, horseradish, some pickles, and celery. Now, I suppose if it were a true Caesar, I'd somehow rim the bun with celery salt and have Clamato ketchup, but I don't have that, so I guess it is a Bloody Mary Spam burger. First, let's get our Spam, make a few choice cuts, then combine the ketchup, Worcestershire, hot sauce, and horseradish, then mix it up and put it in the fridge. And we'll get that Spam frying, and we'll chop some celery, mix with chopped pickles, light toast on the bun, spread that sauce on there, and Spam, pickle celery, and combine. Good, but needs more clam. SPAMwich Dad, good day.